Say hello to Identity Dinkytown, Minneapolis, where you'll find the perfect blend of comfort and luxury. Choose from a wide selection of sleek 1 to 5 bedroom apartments and lavish studios thoughtfully designed for all student needs. Relax in a warm and cozy bed after a long day, or tackle chores with the in-unit washer and dryer and dishwasher. Challenge your friends to a game of golf on the simulator, or unleash your competitive side in the club rooms with gaming tables. Delight the author in you in the writer's den with the fireplace for maximum creativity. Squeeze in intense workouts at the 24/7 fitness center, then sweat it out in the sauna. Feel extra secure with keyless entry. They've got all your exam seasons handled with private and group study spaces and a coffee bar for you to refuel in the breaks. At 15th Avenue Southeast, the University of Minnesota and Augsburg University are just a short drive away. With bus stops nearby, traveling around the city is a breeze. So get ready to live in style. Grab your spot at Identity Dinkytown, Minneapolis. Now with amberstudent.com.